What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing how to download and use FiveM on your desktop computer. First thing you want to do is go to Google, search FiveM, literally just that. I will also have the link in the description to the exact spot where you download FiveM. Then you go to this website. Make sure when you're here you don't get any ad pop-ups and click that. Make sure you click the FiveM.net, click download client. Sure, I agree. It'll give you a little pop-up in the bottom. You can click that and then you'll go through the process of downloading it. Since I already have it, I'm actually not going to do that, but just pull up FiveM. Once you have FiveM downloaded, it's going to look very weird. So 1 second. You can see as it's initializing, it'll look like that. Basically what this is doing is it's just downloading all the content, and it's going to make you log in to your Rockstar account, or it's going to also try to make you link to your I think it's called CFX account. And what you just want to do is go to that, make sure you either create an account or log in. I'll show that in a second. Yep, so always go to FiveM.net. And when you go into here, you'll see that you don't have an account linked right there. And what you want to do is go to cfx.re. Either create an account or link your current account. But other than that, once you have all that done, you'll be in, and all you have to do is get that account in. And this is going to be very confusing, but I'm sure a lot of you are coming here trying to be able to join roleplay servers. So what you want to do is go into FiveM. What you want to do is go into play, and right here you'll have an you can search an IP address. You can scroll through here. This is where you go to your servers. So these are all your FiveM servers that you can connect to. Some of them will be whitelisted and won't let you in. Some of them, and most of them, won't be whitelisted. But a good way to find a good roleplay server is to go to filters, make sure it's on your language, make sure roleplay is one of the filters. And if you really want to go deep into this with custom cars and real life, whitelist, stuff like that, any of your specifications for that, make sure to just go into filters. As you can see, a bunch of stuff here. One of the ones that I do recommend is California Roleplay, and if I can find it. There it is, South Carolina Roleplay, not that one. Yeah, Carolina State Roleplay is what I meant. Carolina State Roleplay and California Roleplay are my two favorite roleplay servers. But there are always drift servers and stuff like that. I'll have all the best servers in the description, so make sure to go check them out. Also, it's good to join people's Discord. Most of them have their Discord right here. You go into that. Okay, that's just it for servers. And then if you go back here, you can actually get into there's actually a way to get into GTA 4 somewhere on here. If you want a tutorial for that, let me know. But other than that, pretty simple to use FiveM once you have your account linked, your CFX account linked. It's very self-explanatory, nothing much to it. And yeah, I'll be ending the tutorial here. If you have any suggestions for more stuff like this, make sure to comment that down below. See you guys in the next video.